Hi there, it's Jeremy here from gettingthemix.com. Thanks for watching this video. I'm with Dan from Alto, who's kindly come down to our Colchester HQ. It's an exciting day because we've got the new 3 Series sub here to show you. There's 3 in the range now. There's obviously the 312, the 315 and the 318 to replace the old models. A lot of people have been sending us questions, when's a new one coming out? Mainly because of the popularity of the new 3 Series tops. The 315s, 312, they are so popular. You know, keeping up with demand has been very, very difficult, to be honest. And a lot of people have been saying, oh, you know, when's a new sub coming out? So we've got one here, and here it is. So tell us a bit about it then, Dan.
Yeah, so brand new, we got them into the UK this week. It's now 2,000 watts, so jump up from the previous one. We've got one of the old ones here, which was 1250.
That's the 15, that's the 12, the one we got here,
Yep, so that's 2,000 watts peak, 1,000 watts continuous, matching up with the tops, which you'll see behind. So same power now. They're perfect for matching up with the other 3 Series full range speakers, or bringing them into other systems with other speakers. But one of the biggest things we've introduced on these is DSP.
Right.
So there's now 6 different modes, which means you can match them up with different types of speakers very easily.
Okay. That's a big plus point, you know, to them.
Yeah. So it means they're perfect addition for anyone who's got the 3 Series speakers already. We've also got a new high temperature long throw voice coil in there. So with the 2,000 watts, it's obviously a bit more power, giving you a lot tighter bass response, a bit better performance overall.
That's quite a big jump, isn't it? I mean, 1250, the old one, up to 2,000. That's a big leap.
That's a big
Seems
jump.
every time the new models come out, they just seem to be getting better and better. And one of the things is obviously power keeps increasing and increasing, which is good.
And obviously the tops were a massive jump from the 2 Series.
Yes.
We've done the same with the subs. We're kind of we're taking them to that next level.
Yes.
But we're trying to keep them still as affordable as possible.
And the cabinet design is still very similar to the old, because they did look nice. They match up so well with the tops. They're a different finish, aren't they? They're a more hard textured finish on the new one compared to the smoother finish on the old. So they'll be a bit more harder wearing. I think the wood is different as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So these are MDF. The old ones were plywood. So they're slightly bigger than the old ones, slightly heavier. I think it's about 5 to 7 kilograms, depending on which sub you get.
But across the board, they're a little bit heavier, but it's still very manageable. Still very manageable.
They sound fantastic, and they just obviously add that punch to the bottom end. And
Definitely.
a big step up from the 2 Series.
They've got sunken in handles as well, haven't they, rather than the metal ones. Nice finish to them as well. 35mm top hat standard still, which is in there to go to the tops.
Yeah, most of the new stuff is on the back. So
which is basically the DSP settings that will match up to whatever model of the tops that you've got.
Yeah, so there's 6 different DSP output modes, and that is then changing crossover frequency. It's changing the delay settings and the level settings of the outputs, and that basically will just make sure that the sub and the top is matched up perfectly. So you've got the correct crossover frequency, you've got time alignment and level alignment. So if you have these both set to 12, so the sub set to 12 and the top set to 12, they'll be perfectly matched. So the first 4 modes, TS308, TS310, 312 and 315. Obviously for the full range speakers, you can use those modes with other manufacturer speakers as well, though. You just kind of play with them to see which one sounds the best.
Or you can bypass.
Or there's a high pass, which is, there's no level change, there's no delay introduced, it's just a crossover at 100 hertz. So that's great for introducing with other speakers. And then there's the bypass as well, so a few different modes.
It's great that it would be just so easy, whatever. This is the same across the board, the 12s, the 15s and the 18s. We've only got the new 12 here today, but it's the same across all of them, isn't it? What you're seeing here, same power across the 3, and also the same DSP settings as well. And you've also got the extended low frequency as well.
There's the polarity reverse, and then it's pretty much the same as it was on the old sub. So you've got your 2 combo jack XLR jack inputs, and your 2 XLR outputs.
Yeah, that's really good. And the thing is, it's so easy with this, because to be honest with you, we find that most people buying these will be buying the tops to match the Altos. You just, whatever ones you've got, you just select it here with the button to the one, and it's matched and ready to go. It's just simple and easy, which is what you want when you're going to a gig, really.
Yeah, you don't want to have to mess around trying to match everything up. It's just all done for you.
Yeah, I mean, this 12, we heard it earlier, it's absolutely amazing, the sound from this sub. What we tend to find, a lot of people with mobile discos will buy the 12 or the 15. The 15 is really popular, but I have to say, listening to this is pretty much on par with the old 15 in terms of the low frequency, you know, that you get from it. So it is an incredible sub, this 12, but the 15, which we haven't got here right now today, but that's going to be absolutely amazing. So if you've got the 12s or the 15 tops, you know, the 12, go for the 12 or the 15 sub. I mean, they're both going to be fantastic. A little bit more weight, but for what more power you're getting in the features, you know, the MDF cabinet as well, which is braced internally, isn't it, on this one now? So it's for the extra strength. It's worth that little bit extra weight when you hear them, you know. They're well worth it. So yeah, I'm trying to think what else to say about it. It's amazing to see the new sub out. We've been waiting for it for so long. It's 2,000 watts. It all matches up nicely now. You're going to get more power for your money and get the reliability that you're used to with Alto as well. I mean, it's we sell so many Alto speakers, but since they came out with the old TS115s back in the day, they just took over the market, really. They're the best value for money. Reliability is excellent, so you can't go wrong. Any other info you need, of course, you can go on our website or give us a call at getinthemix.com. We'll answer any questions.
Yeah, you'll have them in store. People can come and try them out.
Yeah, that's it. Come into us down in Colchester if you want to come and give them a try with all the different. We've got all the range on demo of the Alto speakers. So really appreciate it coming down, Dan.
No problem.
And how exciting! We've got the new 3 Series sub from Alto. Thanks for watching.